Hi everyone. Today we have on a test bench the Frames Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. This one was returned to me because when they received it back they had issues with their furnace and they weren't able to make it work. So they returned it to me for further troubleshooting and see what I could do to help. So I received it. There were a couple issues that needed to be resolved. I took care of those and I'm ready to final test it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do that, since the pellet tester is on, I don't have to turn that on, but when I turn the controller on, the combustion fan and the convection fan should come on at low. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll switch that to on, and sure enough, there's my two fans. The combustion fan is on and the room fan is on low. Quick tests here. If I press the manual feed or the high fan, we'll see the lamps change. So I'll go to high fan first, and there we go to maximum setting. So there we go, that works correctly. And if I go to manual feed, we should see the auger motor drive. And there it is. As long as I hold my finger on it, the auger motor will drive. So all that is functioning correctly. The next step now is to press the auger button, and that will turn on the green light at the top and will set the convection fan at a low, which is where it is right now. So let me go ahead and do that. That won't change any of the lighting, by the way. So there it is, our light's on. And if we wait about 20 seconds, 25 seconds, this light right here will come on because we've enabled the auger to start running on its own. And when that green light comes on, we should see the auger indicator flash. So let's wait for that to happen real quick. I timed this one. There we go. So we had the green light come on and the auger motor indicator light come on. Let's cycle through that one more time. There we go, both are visible. And now the next thing I'll do is I'll turn our settings from low to high, and that should make our convection fan light go brighter to simulate the motor running harder and harder. So let me switch that. It's now on B, C, D, E, and max. That's it. Everything here is functional. The thing I'll note though is that now the auger light stays on a longer period of time because I'm on max over here. So as I stay on max, the auger will drive a little longer so that more pellets are fed into the pot and the fire roars a little higher, warms up the house. So there we see how long it's on for. So that's it. The controller is functional again. It's been tested and I'm ready to return it to the customer. Thank you. Bye-bye.